Hello, I'm Scott Blair, co-founder and owner of 2U Tire of Alabama. What you're looking at is a revolution in the tire industry. We can put this vehicle on site at your home, at your office, at the playground, or in some cases inside of a disaster area such as when Hurricane Michael hit the Panama City area. We have several demographics that we service. Professionals who value their time, service industries with fleets that have to stay rolling all the time. We can provide service for them on site, at a job site, after hours, or even roadside. This is accomplished with a European tire changer with multiple helper arms that takes the place of 2 or 3 individuals by depressing the tire in various places, allowing a single technician to be able to do the work of up to 3 people. Our balancer is European as well, and using the precision balance parts that we mentioned earlier allows us to be able to center the wheel on the balancer the same way that it rides on the vehicle. In addition to this, we carry tire pressure monitoring system sensors on board that allows us to replace these sensors anytime that's needed, and we have the technology on board to be able to reprogram these sensors to the vehicle so that the tire pressure light is off and that safety feature is now functioning correctly. Thank you so much for your time and your consideration.